The Amazon jungle is not just a forest. It's the beating heart of our planet, the lungs of the earth, and a vast green ocean of life. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries, this jungle is the most diverse and complex ecosystem on the planet. From its towering trees to the smallest insects, the Amazon holds secrets yet to be fully understood, stories of survival, adaptation, and mystery. In this documentary, we will dive deep into the Amazon, exploring its intricate web of life, its role in the global climate, the indigenous people who call it home, and the threats it faces. The birth of the Amazon River, one of the world's largest, is the lifeblood of this region. But how did this colossal river and its surrounding jungle come to be? Millions of years ago, the land we now call the Amazon was submerged under the Atlantic Ocean. Tectonic shifts, volcanic activity, and the gradual rising of land created a fertile basin. Over time, rivers carved their way through the landscape, shaping the dense forest we know today. The Amazon River, stretching over 7,000 kilometers, meanders through this region, creating life-rich habitats along its banks. This chapter delves into the geological history that shaped this magnificent jungle. The bounty of biodiversity. The Amazon is home to more than 390 billion trees, thousands of species of animals, and an uncountable variety of insects and plants. This biodiversity is not only vast but intricate, with every species playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of this complex ecosystem. From the majestic jaguar, a symbol of the jungle's strength, to the tiny yet essential army ants, the Amazon is teeming with life. We'll explore the symbiotic relationships between plants and animals, the way some species use mimicry and camouflage to survive, and the constant struggle for resources that defines life in this harsh environment. The Amazon's canopy, a world above the forest floor, lies a hidden world, one of the least explored parts of the jungle, the canopy. This dense roof of leaves, vines, and branches is home to a different ecosystem, where many species live their entire lives without ever touching the ground. Monkeys leap from tree to tree, brightly colored parrots squawk as they fly through the trees, and sloths slowly crawl along branches in search of food. The canopy is also home to a wide array of plant species, many of which are still unknown to science. This chapter will take us into the treetops, exploring the unique challenges and opportunities for survival in this elevated world. The river of life. The Amazon River is the lifeblood of the jungle. Along its banks, the land is fertile, and its waters provide food for countless animals. The river is home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth, such as the pink river dolphin and the electric eel. It's also a critical migration path for many fish species, which play a vital role in the survival of both aquatic and terrestrial animals. We are going to know the various ecosystems created by the river, from the flooded forests during the wet season to the dry plains during the drought. This chapter will highlight the importance of the river in sustaining life in the Amazon and how its cycles of flood and drought shape the landscape. The indigenous peoples of the Amazon. Long before the first European explorers set foot in the Amazon, indigenous people had called this place home for thousands of years. These communities have developed a deep understanding of the jungle, living in harmony with nature and using its resources sustainably. Now we explore the cultures, traditions, and spiritual beliefs of the Amazon's indigenous peoples. From the Yanomami, who live in the remote highlands, to the Kayapo, known for their colorful body paint and intricate beadwork, each group has its own unique relationship with the jungle. We'll also look at how modern pressures, such as deforestation and illegal mining, are threatening their way of life. Medicinal marvels of the Amazon. The Amazon jungle is often referred to as the world's largest pharmacy. Many of the plants found here have medicinal properties, and indigenous tribes have used them for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. Modern science has only scratched the surface of what the jungle has to offer in terms of medicine. From the bark of the cinchona tree, which is used to make quinine, a treatment for malaria, to the sap of the rubber tree, which revolutionized industries, the Amazon's plant life holds immense potential. In this chapter, we'll explore the medicinal uses of Amazonian plants and how bioprospecting could lead to new discoveries that benefit humanity. The Amazon and the global climate. The Amazon plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its vast forests act as a carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of CO2 from the atmosphere. However, as deforestation continues at an alarming rate, the Amazon's ability to absorb carbon is diminishing. We'll examine the Amazon's role in the global climate system, from its influence on rainfall patterns to its impact on the carbon cycle. We'll also look at the consequences of climate change on the Amazon itself, including rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and the increased frequency of wildfires. Deforestation and the fight to save the Amazon. The Amazon is under constant threat from human activity. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and infrastructure development, is rapidly destroying the forest. In this chapter, we'll delve into the causes of deforestation and its devastating effects on biodiversity, indigenous communities, and the global climate. We'll also highlight the efforts being made to protect the Amazon, from local conservation initiatives to international agreements. The fight to save the Amazon is not just a local issue, but a global one, and the decisions we make today will have lasting consequences for future generations. The future of the Amazon jungle. What does the future hold for the Amazon? In this concluding chapter, we'll explore the potential paths forward. Can we find a way to balance development with conservation? Will the Amazon continue to be a source of life and wonder for future generations, or will it be lost to the pressures of modern society? We'll discuss the importance of sustainable practices, the role of governments and NGOs in protecting the Amazon, and how we as individuals can make a difference. The Amazon's future is uncertain, but there is hope if we act now. The Amazon's call to the world. The Amazon jungle is a symbol of nature's power, resilience, and beauty. It is a place of mystery, where life flourishes in ways that are still not fully understood. But it is also a place under threat, and its future hangs in the balance. The Amazon calls to us, not just as a wonder of the natural world, but as a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the planet we share. This documentary offers a deep dive into the rich and complex world of the Amazon jungle, blending scientific exploration with cultural storytelling. Would you like me to expand or add more specific sections? Please show your love by subscribe, comments, like and share my channel. Thank you for watching.